fucking dodge. There is no outplaying that except just open eyes and dodge. You have a second of immunity for it.
It must have been like right underneath, like as I was going in.
Yeah.
It spawned like directly underneath when you came through.
That's unfortunate.
We go again. And yeah, but let's not lose the rest to something like Nova. If you're the only one who died there, Took, it just means you weren't far enough into it.
Just need to be further back. If you're always on the like next to the guy or behind the guy popping it, you'll always be fine. Assuming he doesn't fuck it up.
And if he did, someone else will have died too.
Oh, then he will die.
Weird. It happens always at least once.
Yeah, I mean, just
It's either
don't be in
going
front
too
of the
late
guy
or-
popping, be behind the guy popping.
You're too far ahead then.
Yeah. Be behind the guy popping, and then he will die too if he fucks it up.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Jump 3 times. Jump 3 times.
Make sure you get in your circle. Dodge the waves. We're baiting. And roots. Ready for the Novus with these blades. Ready to get to your circles? This is the one where we run far as fuck. Run, run, run. Roots are coming up.
Collect or stand in circle. Collect or stand in circle.
Ready for the Novas? On the line. Ready to dodge towards your hole, ring, circle, thing. And now all you care about is dodging the waves. Nothing else matters. Good. Ready for the rest?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Watch out for the waves now. After the next wave, look for the gap. Start positioning.
4,
Get to the gap, use a personal now.
1.
We spread. Damage is still more than fine, just don't greed. Ads are coming up. Watch out for the orbs.
Enemy.
Watch out for the orbs.
Take gate next.
Get ready to get sent up.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Remember a bit more on the Expeller here.
Take gate next. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4,
Emo and Karina.
2, 1.
Very clear.
Where'd you click?
This is Breaker and Yellow now when we get up here. Defensives and help out if you need.
Collect or stand in circle.
3, 2,
Collect or stand in
1.
circle.
Yellow now? Yeah, good. Bergsten and Neman.
Good. Ready to click soon? Click, click, click.
4,
Watch your health.
You can
Watch
help
this
cut on
guy.
this if you haven't already.
Make sure we kick. This is Shady and Nobleta.
Watch the orbs, watch the orbs, watch the orbs. Watch the orb.
It's me and Tokyo.
Keep up on the interrupts. Nothing else matters. Orbs and interrupts. One last one. Watch the orb and get ready to get sent up.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Everyone's alive, just calm and relaxed. Boss damage and slowly make your way to the corner now.
Watch the check.
I'm down and don't greed. Remember to taunt her when she's down.
Okay. We're baiting range. Don't be ahead of us, please. Get ready. We're moving.
I taunt her and keep her here.
Yep, that's totally fine. Ring. And just make sure the ads die. Keep killing the ads. Very nice. Big ads are coming out soon.
Put her in the middle between the two lights.
Okay, portal's coming up in 3. On red and green. Get ready. Red and green. Red and
Move her
green.
back. Move her back slowly. She can.
Good. Watch the explosions now. Watch the explosions. Watch the explosions. Get ready to pick up your orb soon. At the end of this cast, you can pick up your orb. Get near the portal. We're going through in 3, 2, 1. Portal and spread. Good.
Watch the orbs.
Use a health pod. Use a health stone if you have. Watch the orbs and get up on the corner. As soon as we can, we should rest.
Collect
okay,
or
Dry's
stand
out of
in
range.
circle.
That's shit.
Collect or
Lusting.
stand in
Here
circle.
we go. Get ready for the ads
Watch
now.
everything.
Watch your feet. Watch your feet.
And keep her here.
Oh,
Taunt her and keep her there. Move her
Yep.
That's
tiny
fine.
bit.
Condemnation's running to Skull. Condemnations to Skull. Every single raid cooldown and personal you have here. Condemnations to Skull.
Keep her there for a bit, and then when they're down, move her there. Right, move her now.
Yep, move her over.
Keep dodging.
And keep hitting the boss now. Spread for the portals. Spread for the portals. Keep hitting boss. You're just burning boss. Nothing else. Keep burning boss.
There's acolytes up still.
It's fine. Keep burning boss. Keep burning boss. Immunities?
Fucking go.
Immunities?
Let's
go!
There you go.
Oh,
Fucking finally.
easy,
So bad.
bitch. Easy.
So fucking
Didn't even need to
Good job,
suicide.
boys.
Molly.
Fucking
guys.
18 people alive. Let's
Oh,
fucking go. Good shit, everyone. Well
Where's my
played.
mount, bro? It's my mount.
Oh,
Congratulations.
let's fucking go.
It's my mount.
Oh, thank you.
Can't wait to use this loot next week, dude. It's gonna be so good. Look at this
Got the
loot.
Yo, the ring dropped. No fucking way.
The mandate dropped, dude.
Who got the
Mandate and the ring, yeah?
Yeah, I can't wait to not give this to the shaman. Like, look at all the shaman. Can't wait not to give it to them.
Yo, good job, everyone. Good shit. We're done. We got our goal.
Good job.
GG.
You
G
get a
fucking G.
screenshot in front of the boss.
Actually, it's a boss.
Yes. Can I get a
Thank you,
rest?
Draco,
on,
for all the help, by the way. And that goes
yeah.
to Foxy as well, even though he's not here. You can pass the
Larry.
words on.
Oh
Yeah.
my goodness.
Good job, guys.
watch.
Good job, people. Let's fucking
Let's
go.
fucking go.
Very good shit.
Good shit. Yeah, get ready for a screenshot, everyone, in front of
Yeah.
boss. Come
also,
here.
thank you
Like,
all
on
for
her
actually
ass.
attending an
Hello.
extra day. Yeah, we need the ass.
Yeah, the booty.
Can
And
we
Yeah.
get the ass pick?
Oh, we can't really. We have to.
Yeah.
We have to stand here. It has to be like from up here. Yeah, yeah. Camera's up there.
Also, don't log off Insta. We have to loot.
Yeah.
Don't log off
Loot me,
Insta.
baby.
Orange in the back.